brought from. Never mind. Just tell you later. And this one is the Japanese engine that I bought from Tropicana City, and I put a 9-volt battery here, and I put the wires here too. And so I'm gonna see who's faster by we reach right over there to that TV. Okay, I'm gonna switch this on.
Don't stop, Titi. Don't stop first, Titi. We are taking. Okay, go. Wait. No, Titi, no. Titi, no, Titi. Let it go. Oh, it overpass.